Good day guys, Red Sweet Potato here, and it is our third time na moto camping from Bristol Motorcycle. Dito yan sa may Borong Bataan. And ayan, nag-enjoy kami dito kasama ang Bristol community. And we had good food, good place to stay. Enjoy lang natin yung panahon dito. Summer pa naman. And salamat sa lahat na nagpunta. And thank you Bristol family, Bristol Motorcycle. Next year ulit.